Okay, good afternoon, YouTube. I made another purchase for the Gladiator. I am replacing the stock black mirrors with the new paint match distinction applied mirrors. Only took about 15 days in total to get them. And the nice thing is when they came in, they already had the mirror glass, so I don't have to swap that out. Pretty simple process. Just grab your Jeep kit down there and it comes with everything you need. So we'll just set you up in here and we'll get started. Okay, we are back. Little tip, roll the window down before you start so you can hold it from the outside. Got your Jeep toolkit, and then you just loosen the bolts. They're not real tight. Get them all started coming out. Bear with me, I'm short, can't reach over the door very well. And then once you get them loose, set the little tool down. One. And then didn't get that one loose enough. This is where you'll want to start holding on to the mirror. And mine are power heated mirrors, so I am going to have a little cable that I'm going to have to take apart. Or unplug, I mean. Got it loose. Pull it out of the hole. And then unplug the connector. A little hard to do. Got it. And then there is also a clip that you'll just need a tool like this to get to. And pop that out of there. And then the old mirror is free. Bring the new mirror back. And the wire that I unplugged just plugs in right there. Not sure if you can see it. So we'll just reverse the process now. Plug it in, give it a click, feed it in the hole. And it does have two alignment pins in the mirror and in the door. So you can't really go wrong there. I recommend getting one at least somewhat hand tight, because then you can let go of the mirror a little bit and not have to worry about it falling on the ground. The other two. Other two screws in there. Get your Jeep socket back out. And snug them up. You don't want to go too tight, just get it good and snug. And I am doing this live, by the way, with no editing, so this is real time. Okay, now I'll bring you out here and show you the finished product. Paint matched perfectly. I don't know how they do it at Distinction Applied, but they are very good at paint matching. There's my painted cow from before. And then all you have to do is box up the old mirrors, and I believe it's a $150 core charge for sending them back. I'll just put them back in the box that they sent them in and ship them back out. But yep, it's just that easy. So just contact them. They have all kinds of paint match products that are really good. I will soon hopefully be back with paint matched replacement door handles. That's the next thing on my list. But like and subscribe, and we'll be back with the next one. Thanks.